fast can I explain the basics of linear algebra? We're about to find out. Let's say we have a problem like this, where we're trying to determine if vector C is in the span of vectors A and B. In order to do this, I'm going to use a matrix. Now, what I'm going to do for this matrix is I'm going to take vectors A and B, and I'm going to put it on one side of the matrix, with vector C on this right side here. What I'm trying to end up with is what's called reduced row echelon form. So what I'm going to start by doing is I'm going to take row 1 and 2, and I'm going to scale each of them. When I do this, I should get this matrix right here. Now what I'm going to do is take row 1 and add it to row 2. Row 1 is not going to change, and row 2 is just going to be this combination. So -6 plus 6, that gave us this 0. 18 plus 8, that gave us this 26, and then 6 plus 20 gave us this 26. I'm going to go ahead and scale the bottom row. Now I want to get a 0 up here. So the way I'm going to do that is by taking row 2, scaling it by -18, and adding it to row 1. Now the last step I'm going to do is take row 1 and scale it by -1/6. I now have reduced row echelon form, so let's see if these two solutions work. I'm going to take C1 and C2 and plug it into this combination. I'm now going to take the two vectors and scale them by the corresponding constants and then add the components together. And notice here that the two vectors match. That means we are in the span of A and B.